Hello everyone. Leverage, that is what the course is all about. Now leverage is one of the most important financial instrument which measures the change in one variable with respect to the another variable. So here you will come across various technical aspects like EBIT, which is also called as operating profit, EBT, earnings before taxes, which is also called as taxable profit. Then we will be going for operating leverage, financial leverage, combined leverage, degree of operating leverage, degree of financial leverage, degree of combined leverage. So overall, it's a very interesting course, and in the first section, we are going to guide you about the various phases of this course. Alright, so in the next section, we will be discussing the concept of leverage and the various types of leverage which are bifurcated into operating and financial leverage, of course. So in that section we will be discussing the operating as well as the financial leverage, the concept, then degree of operating leverage and degree of financial leverage. So here on we are going to discuss the important concepts of different types of leverage. After that we will be discussing the mechanism to calculate the operating leverage as well as the financial leverage and their significance in finance. What does they depict and their interpretations, right? The calculation, the modus operandi, the formula to calculate the value of operating leverage and the financial leverage will be discussed in the third section. After that, we will be discussing the degree of financial leverage in detail, right? So degree of operating leverage and then degree of financial leverage, right, in rigorous detail. Then after discussing the degrees of degree of operating leverage and degree of financial leverage, in the next section we will be constructing the income statement using various types of leverage, using the values of operating leverage and financial leverage. So that's another very important aspect and an interesting one as far as leverage is concerned. So this whole course is about the explanation of leverage, which is an important financial instrument, and you are going to measure the impact of one variable with respect to the another variable. We will be discussing the concepts, the mechanisms, the formulae and various case studies in leverage. Alright, so this is going to be a great learning experience for you, and I hope this journey is going to be an enjoyable one too. Thank you.